What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to have a quick review of EZVIZ C6W, a smart home camera. So we are going to talk about its design, features, performance, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. And I'm also giving away an EZVIZ C6W camera and the link of the giveaway is given in the description below. So do not forget to hit that link and participate in the giveaway to win one of the EZVIZ C6W. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of EZVIZ C6W, you will find the EZVIZ camera, a quick start guide, a power adapter, a wall mount, a mounting template along with some screws and a very long micro USB cable. Talking about the design, it is very much similar to the EZVIZ C6TC that I reviewed earlier, but this one looks a bit more premium because of the metallic matte finish. On the back side, we got an Ethernet port, a micro SD card slot and a micro USB port. So it would be nice if instead of the old micro USB, EZVIZ could provide the USB Type-C port on C6W. And then we got a reset button, a microphone, and at the top we got the speaker. It comes with indicator LED light between the grey and black part of the camera and it looks beautiful. Talking about the features and performance, to use the EZVIZ C6W you will have to use the EZVIZ smartphone application. Once downloaded and an account is created, you can connect the C6W with your smartphone app by just scanning the QR code provided on the user manual. Once the device is added, you can download and save the device QR code for the future reference. You can turn on or off the audio and you can even select a name or the location of your house if you got multiple smart home cameras in your house. Inside the primary menu of C6W, you can take a snapshot of the view appearing on the smartphone screen. You can also record the video of what being captured on the C6W. You get the option to select the video resolution from standard Full HD to Ultra HD, and Ultra HD here is actually just 2K resolution video. Under the multi-screen live view, you get the option to view all of your cameras at the very same time on one page if you got multiple smart home cameras in your house. Under the pan tilt, you get the option to manually control the camera in 360 degrees to get the exact view that you would like to watch. You can also capture a 360 degree picture using the EZVIZ C6W. If you go to the auto tracking, you will get the option to either use the EZVIZ C6W auto tracking in the fixed mode or in the flexible mode that automatically adjusts the pan and zoom to give a better view. Using the speak mode, you can communicate and talk to the people close to the EZVIZ C6W camera. If you select the privacy mode, then the lens of C6W goes backwards and stops recording and showing any content for your better privacy. And if you go to the video history, here you will find all of the videos recorded using your EZVIZ C6W. If you go to the settings, here you will find multiple options that you can use for better performance of the device. So you can turn on off the audio, LED status light, IR light and the alarm notification that you can receive on your smartphone app. EZVIZ comes with its own cloud storage service and you can select whether you would like to store the videos and pictures captured on the EZVIZ cloud storage or on the memory card if you have inserted one on your C6W. In the advanced image setting, you get the option to turn on the backlight mode and also select the color saturation. Talking about the performance, first of all, the video quality is very nice. The object detection works perfectly as well and you get the notification on EZVIZ smartphone app every time C6W detects someone in front of the camera. The low light performance with the help of IR camera on C6W is very nice and impressive, and it captures very good quality images and videos in extreme low light condition. But it also comes with few bugs. For example, sometimes when you change the video resolution in the EZVIZ smartphone app, then it does not make any changes on the camera itself, and sometimes you record 2K resolution videos while selecting the standard video quality and sometimes Full HD videos when you have selected Ultra HD. And since the flexible auto tracking works on some particular video resolution, it messes up that feature as well, and because of that sometimes it does not work. But whenever it works, the performance is very nice for auto tracking and also for pan and zoom. The speaker quality is not good, the audio output is very tinish, and it just serves the purpose for having two-way communication. Overall, EZVIZ C6W is a very nice smart home camera in its price segment. It's very feature rich. The smartphone app comes with lots of features and options. The design and build quality is nice and it looks beautiful. The video quality and low light imaging is very impressive, and the auto tracking with flexible zoom is also a very nice security feature. So if you're planning to buy a smart home camera, then EZVIZ C6W is a very nice option for you. And if you would like to win one for free, then just click the link given in the description to participate in the giveaway. So thanks for watching this video, friends. If you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.